get a number of questions about getting office space or building space or kennel space donated to a charitable organization. And a lot of new groups think that that will be the way to establish an initial office outside of their own homes, is to get somebody to donate some space. But the problem is that a donation of space is not a tax deduction to the business or the owner unless they donate the entire space. So, for instance, if someone owns an office building and they want to, quote, donate, and quote, an office to your new charity, that's of no help to them in terms of deductions. In order for it to be deductible, they've got to donate the entire space so that they lose use of the whole thing. So if it were a small building with 5 offices in it, they could have to, in order to deduct it, they'd have to give you the whole thing. They can't just give you one office. So probably the better approach is to actually lease the office and let them have, maybe give you a reduced rate for it. They can let you use office space free of charge, but it is not going to be a tax deduction to the business or the owner that gives you that space. For more information, consult IRS Pub 526 on charitable donations. And the section is called Partial Interest in Property. Doesn't that sound fascinating? Okay, and here's their example that they give, and I think I'll put a clip of this in the comments. You own a 10-story office building and donate rent-free use of the top floor to a qualified organization. Because you still own the building, you have contributed a partial interest in the property and can't take a deduction for that contribution. So you would have to give them the whole 10 floors in order to take a deduction for the value of that. And what would the value be? Well, it would be whatever the normal rental value would be for that entire property. Not likely you're going to be doing that too. So check into that. I'll make this a separate video, but there's a limitation on deductions for personal services as well. So IRS Pub 526, that's your Bible. For more information on raising money, please go to jdonate.com. See you there.